A company just went public in Beijing, and the stock market is basically saying one thing: robots that move around the physical world are about to get serious investment. That company is Unitree, and they make four-legged robots that look like dogs. Understanding why their IPO matters requires understanding what they actually do and why governments and companies are suddenly betting billions on hardware like this. Unitree manufactures quadruped robots, which means four-legged machines that can navigate terrain the way animals do. Think of them like the difference between a wheeled robot and a spider. Wheels work fine on flat surfaces, but a four-legged platform can climb stairs, walk across rubble, and adjust each limb independently. The engineering challenge is enormous. Each leg needs motors that provide precise torque control, sensors that measure ground contact, and a central computer running algorithms to coordinate all four limbs in real time while the robot balances itself. Most wheeled robots are straightforward. Four-legged robots require constant feedback loops between the brain and every extremity. The IPO signals a specific bet that real-world automation, not just software, is where the next trillion-dollar opportunity lives. China's manufacturing sector faces labor shortages. Inspection tasks, warehouse logistics, and construction site surveys all need machines that can handle unstructured environments. Software companies operate in the digital realm. Robotics companies operate in factories, construction zones, and disaster sites. The hardware needs to survive mud, temperature swings, and impacts. Unitree's robots are tested in these conditions. When a company this focused on physical automation goes public, it means institutional investors believe quadruped platforms will become as ubiquitous as factory arms within the next decade. What makes this different from previous robotics hype is the maturity of the supporting technology. Vision systems using cameras and LiDAR can now map environments in real time. Battery technology has improved enough that these robots can run for hours per charge. Machine learning models trained on thousands of hours of robot movement mean new units learn basic locomotion quickly. Integration with AI foundation models means a robot can process voice commands and visual queries, not just execute pre-programmed routines. The pieces finally fit together. Unitree's IPO was Beijing placing a bet that the integration is now fast enough and cheap enough to scale. If you want to understand how computer vision works inside autonomous systems, it is already on the channel.